So welcome to my channel. I wait that some more subscribers coming to the channel. Today we will analyze the Bitcoin chart. So the channel is filling. Um, in this video, I want to show you if I lie to you or if I say to you the true in the past. Yeah. Let's look. 2 days ago, I made a video. Look the performance here. Only 247 people look to this real video, not the Moonboy video. And in this video, I show you the true, but nobody listen. Look, we're starting here, and let's see if I lying to you in the past or not. Look, yeah, make a retest at this level, and now you can see we will test this again. So what? So you can see clear structure to 70,600. Yeah, no parabolic, no shit what the Moon Boys um, talk to you over the weeks. Yeah, that we will go here parabolic to the upside. You can see real target. What that means in general, yeah, you have to understand this. Yeah, not make here lines and say, okay, this is a prediction. Look, how many times we test this? 1, 2, 3. So if you want more information, look to the old video. We will start with a new analyze. If you look here to the new chart, then you can see that the Bitcoin price is drop very hard to the downside. That means I was right again, again, again. Yeah, so the Moon Boys lost, lost, and again lost, and the shit parabolic what they talk about over the weeks is also not right. Look here, they draw some shit like this, yeah, and you can see this was wrong. I was right here. I was right here. I was right here. So share the video so that the channel can grow. This is the real Bitcoin channel and not the Moonboy channel. Yeah, all predictions right. Yeah, this right, this right, this right. Everything is right here. So what structure we have here? This channel is not talking about blah blah. This channel make here real analyze. Yeah, you are live here in my channel and see what is possible. You can see again we broke the structure here. So we make a retest of this level here. You can see clear. We test this level and that means not good. Yeah, the next move is going to 17,000. I said this in the video before. Yeah, also the videos in the past. I said this to you because we have here a very, very interesting pattern. That means this is an inverse left shoulder handle, right shoulder formation, and this will go very hard to the downside. Then the Moon Boys not understand this. We will test this here, but this is a weak structure, and then we will fall very hard to the downside. The crisis is coming, the sell-off is coming, but the Moon Boys, look, they talking about this shit and the parabolica. So stupid people, and these people have 500,000 views or what, or so what. Yeah. So I don't not understand the people who follow these people because they lose your money and they really look to their channels, the big channels. They said exactly here at this place here. Shame to them. To this place buy, yeah, and if you buy here 24,000, then you have a lose here of 4,000. And if you make margin trading, yeah, with free, then you have exactly on this place losses of $12,000. And Look, how painful is that? Yeah. So this is minimum. Yeah. Some of the people here going with 10x or 100x. So let's look here to the live chat. Hello, friends. So what's going on, boys? Let me look here. Hey, everyone. Good night. Yeah, the good the Moon Boys. Yes, the Moon Boys. Mark's Hart. They said, okay, we will go to 26,000. They lose again. So let's look here more inside in which direction we can go. You can see the price will drop to 17,000, 18,000. Let's look more. But be careful, friends, because the problem is this. The Moon Boys predict here still prices in direction of 40,000 or 50,000. So they lose, and again lose. But one time they will say to you, okay, I was right, because the reason is we are from 70,000 to 10,000. Yeah, you can see that nearly 90% here we lose, and 90 or 80% we lose. That means the Moon Boys, they predict the upside, upside, and lose the whole time, and then one time they will be right, because at these levels the price will go here to the upside, and automatically, yeah, they will say, okay, I was right, yeah, because we have not so much energy to the downside. That means the market will turn. Yeah, I make this in green here. Yeah, we will go, I think, in the next year, something like that. That is clear. We can see this here. And at these levels, the Moon Boys will say, okay, I was right, and so on. And then, yeah, then the many followers believe them, and then the followers think, okay, the Moon Boys have talent, and so on. Yeah, they can predict and so on. But in real, the price will go here in that way. I think in the beginning of the next year, we will see here something like that. There's a typical left shoulder hat and the right shoulder, and we will go here to the upside. One info also for you, this is getting interesting, because we have to test this again. So this level is interesting for us. That means we have here huge potential to the upside. This is coming. This is coming. 100%. 1,000% is coming. But at the moment we are not. We are too early. Yeah, we have to wait a little bit. So I would say, one question from the live chat. Wolf, is difficult to believe we are going lower than 10,000. Yes, the sell-off is coming. This is not a sell-off here, 20,600. We need here a sell-off. That means the price uh, should or will go here to the downside. We have the typical structure here. So for me, it's clear that 10,000 is coming, but I'm too fast. Yeah, so I have to wait a little bit, and we have to wait, and blah and bloop and so on. But if you look here as an expert, yeah, then you can see this here, that we have here a weak structure. So the next step is this. Uh, from this position, I'm able to see all the lower prices here. Yeah? So this is only a pre-step. The really step is coming. But from the timeline, if you look here, they shift the Fed meeting from here to this. So we have to fill this. Let's look. Go here to the downside, make a stupid formation like that, and then you can see here typical inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And here, ending of September, after the Fed meeting, the price of Bitcoin will crash. Here, typical formation. You can see, okay, we will break here out. So what? Yeah, who cares? Yeah, if we're going here to these levels, make a retest. We have here. Let me look. Let me look a little bit. So we have here a good structure, so that means the price will go here to the upside. But in the end of the day, you can see we test this level so much. 1, 2, 3. This is not a good structure. The price will break here down. Yeah. So let's look here. Do you short it now or too dangerous? People, at the moment it's dangerous to short, but if you look the potential, you have to be here very quick. Yeah. Let's look. If you are quick and handle very quick, then you can risk, but there's no financial advice. You can see this gap is exists here. Yeah. This gap is here. Yeah. And you know from the past that here, this point is an important point. Yeah. Why? You can see we broke this and go here really hard to the upside. So this is the last test. And you can see we failed the test here. You can see we failed the uptrend and broke this, make a retest and broke again today. Yeah. So if this coming to 17, 18,000 here, then it's getting interesting for us because we have done this structure and then we have to wait. Yeah. And if we fall here to these levels and then this is coming. But I will warn the people here that if we break this, then massive movement is coming. This info we have already now, but we wait. Yeah, so this is coming, and then okay, this step, this step, this step. Yeah. So and the boom boys, these people are really stupid people. They predict here the parabolica. Yeah, this was the parabolica. Many of the moon boys, yeah, they have 500,000 viewers and subscribers, and they talking lies, yeah, and then people believe them. Look, this was the parabolica of the moon boys, and this was the real prediction from my side, 100% correct. I'm really here exact, yeah. I'm not talking about something. I look and analyze this, and that's the different to other channels. I look here really what is possible. Have we here an uptrend, a downtrend? What patterns we have here and so on. Yeah, you can see clear. This analysis is also clear. We make a retest and the next step is to go here to the downside. Yeah. So we're making here some analysis. Give me here 3 to 4 cryptos so that I can analyze this for you. Thank you. Let's look to Chilis if you want. Please, people, share the video so that we can grow in the channel because it's not fair if I have here 200 views and the Moonboy has here 500,000 views. He lying, and I think it's necessary to share the videos so that other people have the chance to listen the truth. Yeah. So we have this situation here at the Chile price. Let's look what we have here. Yeah, you can see the last bastion is tested here at these levels. Yeah, then we have to look here to the RSI. I hope you can see something. Okay, best. So, what that means here for us? What is this for structure? So let's delete this so that we have not twice X. So it this is a typical big hammer. Yeah. Chilies will explode. So this is short-term negative. If you see something like that, this is negative, extreme negative. But if you look long term, this is extreme bullish. And this is a typical example uh, in which we can say, okay, the price is go here from 0.02 to $1. And this structure, what you see here, we see this in big here. Yeah. So this is the same structure or pattern in which we can say, okay, we have the same structure here at these levels. Yeah. Only in big. So if something goes from 0.02 to $1, this is big. Yeah. If I say to you, we're going from 60 cent to $7 or $8, you not believe me. Yeah. But exact this information is here in the chart that we have the possibility to predict here that the price will break here really hard to the upside and go to these levels. Yeah. But we are too early here. That means this is too early to invest because the structure, okay, is good, 0.09 to 20 cent, but we have to make here a retest. This is a retest, look here. Retest of the low level and retest of the high level. The high level is finished. Now we have to go that way to the downside. Yeah. So after this test, it is possible that we break here this to the upside. That means after this test one, the last test, we will break the structure, and then you have not the possibility to buy the chilies so cheap. This is the last chance. Last chance. Big, big, big. My members have this information already earlier. Yeah, so they can prepare himself here for this, herself or himself. Yeah, and that's the how can I say um, benefit of this membership, because you have the possibility here to get this information before. Yeah. So let me wait and look. So we are live. Okay. I thought, okay, the live is cutting here. So yeah, YouTube and others not like me. Yeah, because I talk about the truth and nobody want to hear the truth. Let's look to FTM. So same here. Look, I want the phantom holder here, and I said to them, people, wake up. Yeah, the price was here $2.30. Yeah, and I said to them, hey, please, the price will go to 34 cent. Yeah, I predict this exactly to these levels here. Look, if you invest here with 30,000 pieces or 50,000 pieces, you have here $100,000. $100,000. Yeah, that means this $100,000, if you invest here, I save you with my prediction to here and avoid that you lose money to 30,000. I save you here $60,000. Yeah, if you listen to me. No financial advice. So, but many people not listened and lose your money. And now we are at 28 cent. That means the price will go more to the downside because the sell-off is not yet coming. The sell-off will come. You can see this exactly here also. This is a weak structure here. This is a good structure, but a weak structure. This is a typical preparation, yeah, for the really big bull run. Yeah, this is the price is coming to the downside here. We will test this level here, and this will not hold. This is a typical left shoulder. The price will smash to the downside. I think we have the chance to get here this for 005, 007, something like that. And then we have a typical structure, and then the whales will pump this to the upside. So this is for people for the free channel. If you as member want the real price target for Phantom, yeah, then please request this in the Wolf Price Target or Wolf Exclusive Club to get the real performance and the target of the Phantom price. So I say to you one thing that you understand what I mean. Look, the price was here. How much? 002. Yeah, we make here a marker. Let's make this in red. Yeah, the price was here 002. Look, November 2022. And the price is going to how much? $3.70. Yeah, you can see how much this was. Yeah, so exact this red point. Please listen exact what I say to you. This red point is this here. Understand? This small point is this. So, and now imagine how far we can go here at the Phantom. You understand? And it is possible to find out is how performance is that. Yeah, that's the reason why we have these memberships that we get here. This find out this, yeah. But it's not $30. I won't not say something here, yeah. Please, you can find this in the memberships. But what we can say here is that here $4, $5, $7 is peanuts. Yeah. If you really believe that the phantom price is going to $7 or $6, then sorry, then the people are really stupid to believe that the price is only going to $6 or something like this shit. Yeah, the price will explode. Yeah, this is like here 002 to $3. If you I predict to you at this level 002, yeah, that the price is going to $3, then you not believe me. Yeah, then you say okay, he's crazy. But exact this structure we have here at the red point, and this will explode. This is going very hard to the upside. So hello back. Let's look here to Z. So exact the same, nothing to say here. We have here this. These are wonderful cryptos. Nobody see the performance of this. You can see we broke the structure here. That means the negative trend line is nearly over, and we see here the last shakeout here, this last sell-off here. Yeah, and this will come here to the downside, but I think long term, not if you asking me, then the bull run is 2025. So the whales they will fill this gap here until 2025 with nonsense formation. But this nonsense formation I understand why we make this and so on. Yeah. So, but I think something like that. We have here some possibilities to get this very cheap. We will see also possibilities here 2024. The price will go also to the downside. Yeah. Why will go here to the downside? Because the whales don't want that you make money. That's the fact. So that they say, okay, we have here two possibilities. Okay, here and here and here, so that you believe, okay, you buy here and the prices go to $2.70 to wait, you wait here and say, okay, I want make no, the bull run is started. The Mumbai is lying to you, then this is a parabolica, yeah, so something like this shit. And you believe, okay, you're not selling, and then the whales put the price really hard to the downside because they don't want that you should earn money. Yeah, we have then the possibilities that the price is going here to the downside, and then from this point, the really rocket, the bull run here starts here really straight, yeah, really, and uh, then you have to know how and when you should sell because you need here the price target. Yeah? That's the reason why you should take the membership because if you know, okay, you have the possibility that the price could go more than $8, $9, then you are relaxed and say, okay, I wait that the price is coming to the downside and we have then the possibility left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, and then it goes to the upside. So let's make here two more and then I would finish. I would make here more videos for you. Yes, the moon boys are stupid. They have not the knowledge. That's the problem. Yeah, maybe they are good in making shows, but real knowledge they have not. Mm. So uh, give me two. Let's make Theta. Yeah, Theta is also a hot crypto. So wonderful. My prediction for Theta was 50 cent. Yeah, you can see me coming to $1. Some moon boys wrote me in the past. Yeah, they said to me, I said the price will go here to the downside, and they are really angry and saying to why you can predict here $2. It's not possible. Why you write make this and close your channel and so on and so on. Then I said to you, sorry, I have to say this true and so on. And you can see the price is going here to the downside. But this Theta token has really good, how can I say, possibilities. Yeah, these structures are the same or similar what we saw here in the sand and phantom. This is aggressive positive. Yeah, this is a big hammer, and this will also explode. Yeah, so you can see also here the structure is broke. The negative trend is broke. So we're going here sideways. It's a good signs. Yeah, but we need here a little bit more, um, how can I say, fall or drop to the downside. That means it is possible if you look here to this, we have to test this level. That means 62 cent, 50 cent or something like that. This is the base in which we can say, okay, makes sense to buy Theta, but there's no financial advice. But you can see the price is coming from $16. It is stupid not buy Theta. Yeah, even $1 is cheap. Yeah, but we predict here exact, so that is possible. Yeah, that we could get here this a little bit cheap, but the $1 is also very cheap long term. And if you look here, this is a very how can I say interesting area. We could go in the new year. I would not say October. I would say new year. something like that to the upside, and we have here really good possibilities to go to these levels. But I would not bet that the price of bull run starts yet 2023. The whales will use the possibility that the price go again to the downside like this. Yeah. And if we see here a hammer, then we have all the information what we need, because then we have to test this level. I would say, if I look to this structure, that we could break this here to the upside, because we test this already too much here to the upside, so that we can break this to the upside. Yeah. So but again, people who have my membership, they have more exact date and infos, how and when the price could go here to the upside. Let's look here one more. So thank you for all your comments. Let's look to Ethereum. What we have here. So we make here Ethereum. What we have here. So um, people, I'm honest to you. This is very hot. The how can I say, the formations of the Ethereum are very hot. Yeah. The reason is, let me look. We have here extreme spikes. Yeah, we have this here. We have this here. Yeah, and the next is go to the downside, and the next is something like that. The next is very hot. Uh, please don't look to the timeline. I want to show you what is possible here. We have the possibility that this year, the new year, is going really hard to the upside. Yeah, because the reason is, look, we are testing this here levels, and the next level is to test is this. So I make this in orange that you understand this. So we have here the gap from here to here. Yeah, let's make here this area and this area. So huge gap. Look, yeah, and it is interesting. Yeah, this is, if you want more information about this, how we can fill this, please write me. Yeah, and again, this is not the price target. This is peanuts. Yeah, this here is peanuts for Ethereum, because the reason is, we test some levels 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the price will go here to the downside, and then the price will explode at 2025. The reason why I say this is peanuts, because this is in the area of this. Yeah, we already make here our highs. So this is our neckline. Yeah, I make this in red that you understand. This is our neckline. That means we have to break this neck. Yeah, and if we break this neck, then you can forget this all here, because we coming in another channel. That means this channel here, this channel here has nothing to do with the new channel. The new channel is something different. I want not draw this channel here, because this is a free channel. If you are a member, then you get this channel. Yeah, how far we can go here to the upside. And this is a very hot crypto. This is really, I would say, if the Bitcoin price is going to 100,000, then you will see that the Ethereum price is going maybe 10, 20, or 40 times higher. Uh, Now you have to know from which point. So let's make two more and then I would finish. No, I'm not German. I live in Germany, but I'm not German. Uh, I'm not German. So I can speak fluent German. Yeah, I'm born in Germany. Um, you will not, if you're hearing me uh, at the phone, then I'm. If I speak German, you will not recognize that you would say, okay, I'm German, but I'm not German. I can fluent speak German. So, but here's this year hot, but the last year's here very cold. I would live in Dubai, yeah, or in Qatar. So if somebody invite me, then I can go to Dubai. So uh, how did you learn the analyze you provide? Painful. This analyze you're not learning if you are 18 or 25 or 30. Then you learn how this works and so on. Yeah, this is I learned this very painful, and to understand why we have downtrend. Yeah, why we have this, for example. Yeah, then you have to understand then that some Fibonacci levels is tested. Yeah, then you have some routines. Then you have uh, some manipulations. Yeah, it's not easy to understand this structure because you have here extreme manipulation from this point. Normally, this is, for example, not going here to the downside. This is our best upside levels, but the whales manipulate this to the downside. So I'm learning this, yeah. So to understand why is the market is going to down and up, yeah. So let's look to SQL. Oh, wonderful. Let's look. My subscribers know what which cryptos are very hot because they look to my channel and I said to them, okay, this is very hot. Then they looking here to this very interesting, very hot because you can see the price is at 0.004. So this year, this crypto was here at 70 or 50 cent. Yeah, now look how cheap this is. And we have here wonderful structure. This will fly. Only what you have to make here, no financial advice. You you take this at zero zero 001 or 0.002 if they not manipulate. Yeah, please be careful. If they manipulate the price or the project is ending, then you can forget this technical analysis. At the moment, we have a really good structure. Yeah. The next trend is to break here out. That means we will break here the negative structure. If you look here, there's a negative structure to the downside. This is our channel, yeah, and we will break here out. And if we break here out, then this is finish. Yeah, you can forget this, and then new areas are coming here to the upside. So you have here in total many possibilities in the crypto to make profits. Yeah, not only with scale, because the market is now dropped nearly 90% from this point to this point. So the risks are lower. The only risk is that the project is dead. Yeah, and that is the risk that you have to see. But if the project is not that, then we have a clear left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. This will explode like other cryptos. So be careful, look to the news and think about the whole market. Yeah. So let's look what we have here. Let's make Bitcoin Cash. This is like the Ethereum chart. Let me look if we can find here better. So very hot. At the levels of 1,600, I said the price will go to the downside here. Yeah, this was exactly between them here. So I said, okay, the price is going here to the upside, but we will crash to the downside. Look, now we are staying here at these levels and test the low levels. So that means the price will go more to the downside. Yeah. So after that, if after the sell-off here, the price will explode. We have a timeline 2025, and if you zoom in, then you can see that we have here the energy and the possibility to go here to $4,000. If you want this exactly, I make this for you as exclusive analyze because I want to show you. I'm not talking here blah blah. I want to show you what is possible. Target is 2025. We have to go in that way to the upside like this. We build here our structure. This is a typical hammer, and then we will test this, yeah, and then the next trend is go to $4,000. Yeah, but this is not the end target because we will test this again here, and it is possible that we make here at these levels some tests. Yeah, so please not look to the timeline. Um, we have not the time to draw here exactly. We will go in that way to the upside, and that means we will not fall here to the downside because the structure is strong. What possible is what the whales make here at this point. They want that you should lose money, you know? And a big move to the downside is coming, yeah, because we have to test this level and we get here a hammer. That means after that the price will explode to these levels here. Yeah. This is the case what we see here. And like others, the price will go to 8,000. Yeah. If you say no, then please look to this, that you understand what I mean. Price is going from $300 to 4,000. Maybe you have not the chance to sell this very quick. If you look here from 3,000 to 4,000, it is a very small area. Not every trader has here the possibility to sell. Why? Because they else don't want that you make money. So let's look in which time frame you can sell and buy. Look, day was 18th of December. All-time high was 2 days. You have here only 2 days here. Look, 2 days. You have to know exactly. Yeah, and you need here this information, maybe in the membership here. If you say, okay, I want to know how far the Bitcoin Cash can go, You get your analyze in the Wolf exclusive club in 4 hours. Then you have the possibility you can sell here. Maybe you not get here the all-time high, and you have here nearly from 2000 nearly to 3500 points extra money, yeah, so that you can sell here to the downside. Why we know this, that the price is going here to the downside? Because here this is the middle structure of this, and we need here this formation to go here to the downside. Yeah, double top. So I'm finished. If you have questions, please write me or stay on the channel, share the videos so that we come to um, yeah, to 20,000 subscribers, and so that the channel can grow. Yes, you are right. You say, I think the Bitcoin Cash is the most hated coin from the whales. The market is monopolized, so the big gangsters and bankers, gangsters, yeah, don't want that you, the simple man, make your money with these cryptos, and that's the reason why the price of Bitcoin is manipulated at the point at these moments to the downside. Let's look what we have here. Let me look in which areas we are here. So 20,700. Let me look in more inside and look to understand this. You can see how much colors we have. Yes, typical signs from the whales that they put the price here to the upside, but in real they prepare the sell-off here, that the price is going here to the downside. You can see the structure is weak. You can forget this. This is shit here. So have a nice day. Have a good evening. Have fun, and please share the videos. Have a nice day. See you later.